Good afternoon, everyone. Screen is visible. I think I have to shift it a bit. Shall we start the class? Inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Clear? My voice is audible, loud enough to hear. Fine. So let's start the class. Sambar dosa. Hi. Fine. Let's start the talking about energy. In that we have understood the capacity to do work is called as energy. We understood work already. That was a nice name to start with, Sambar dosa, huh? Sambar dosa, cute. I know. I got this news. From 11th you are having confidence exam. Hello Keshav. So no matter what, I am not going to leave you. Don't think about that. Never think about that. I am 100% going to be with you. I'll help you to go till the last. Fine. Shall we start? Shall we start our work? Okay, is it buffering? Don't worry, it will stop buffering. We have our work to finish, so it is not going to buffer. Shall we start? Now look here. Last class we were talking about energy. We were understanding that the capacity to do work is called as energy. Energy can be stored in a body and it is exactly capable of letting you do work. Okay, it is capable of letting you do work, and energy can be transformed from one form to another. So if I have to, what I am going to do? No problem, don't worry about it. It is going to stop buffering. Don't worry, I'm there. It will stop buffering, don't worry. Now look at descriptive examination means I'm there, don't worry. I said I'm there means I'm there. You will have your syllabus exactly finished and everything will be done in time. Still buffering? I think just 1-2 minutes, after that it will be okay. Kanishka, don't cry yaar. Don't cry. Wait. Just wait. Okay? Hello. Your name is so cute, Sambar dosa. I really like Sambar dosa. Sambar dosa is my favorite and really I love to eat sambar and dosa. Fine. Now look here. Let's get back to work. An object that is able to do work is said to possess energy. The first important point, how to start when it is buffering to this level, huh? Now look here. Most important thing is when we are just going to first understand about energy. Fine. We are just going to understand about energy. Energy means what? When you have how you can do work. First important thing is how you can do work. If somebody will be telling you that you do this work, you do that work, this work is there, writing, reading, jogging, painting, dancing, singing, all are different type of work. But according to physics, work means displacement has to be there. When a body is exactly capable of having displacement at the application of force, then work is said to be done. So when we will be telling that okay, work is there, so work, how can I do work until and unless I don't have energy? So until and unless I don't have energy, I cannot be Okay, sambar dosa, most welcome. So exactly, I'll have energy, then only I'll be able to do work. I'll have energy, then only I'll be able to do work. So the most important thing is that an object that is able to do work said to possess energy. Without energy, I cannot do work. Without energy, I cannot do work. Fine. Now, what can be the form of energy? What can be the form of energy? This also I have discussed. Like if somebody will be telling that I have to throw this from one place to another place, so that means what? I have given you a ball and I'm telling you just kick the ball or throw the ball from this place to another place. Then what you are going to say? Ma'am, I'm today in fasting, I cannot do this activity. Fasting means what? Fasting means what? You have not eaten and that's why you don't have energy. So exactly we have to understand that yes, work can be done when there will be energy. Work can be done when there will be energy, and energy is something that is possessed in that is exactly possessed by a body. Okay, by virtue of its like you have to store energy in your body. Okay, talking about energy now, another important point is energy can be what you called energy can be showed by two ways. Once by motion of the object and second by position of the object. Okay, once by motion of the object, second by position of the object. You are Berika. Berika, how are you, beta? Okay, I'll call you by Berika. Berika, nice name. Very nice name, Berika. Welcome to the channel, beta. Welcome to Ameya family. Now listen. So when we are talking about energy, that means what? Something that is present inside and that will be capable of letting you do work. Energy, second work. First energy, second work. Okay, so that means we have to understand one thing, that they exactly which is dependent on energy. Okay, what I can do is totally dependent upon how much energy I am having. What I can do is totally dependent upon the energy what I am having, the energy what I am having. Okay, so I think when it will be buffering, I will be stopping my work, and then when it will stop buffering, I will again start my work. Fine. Now it will be just few minutes, it will be okay. Just few minutes, it will be okay. It will be okay, just few minutes. Now is it okay? Is it okay? Buffering stopped? Fine. Is the buffering stopped? It's coming blur. Fine, 100% I am going to keep a special name for Ameya family. Ameya means limitless, you know. Fine, now is it okay? Now is it okay? Fine. So whenever buffering will be there, I'll just wait and then we will start. But I'm not going to stop it between work and energy. So energy of an object is defined as capacity for doing work. So if energy is there, the body is ready to do work. Okay. Okay, explain from first. I'm going to explain from first. No. Worry. Now continuously. So yes. Okay, fine. Ashwin, you cannot tolerate it. Okay, Vishal, just give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I'm going. Fine. Is it okay now? Is it okay? Fine. Is it okay? Now listen.